Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to see my friend's location using Snap Map in just simple and easy steps. So let's dive in. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. You'll start on the camera screen. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the map icon to open Snap Map. If this is your first time using it, Snapchat will ask for permission to access your location. Tap Allow and choose the option to share your location while using the app. Next, go back to your Snapchat profile by tapping your Bitmoji in the top corner. Scroll down until you see the location sharing option and tap on it. Here, you can decide who is allowed to see your location, like all friends or only selected ones. Once you've made your choice, go back and tap the map icon to open Snap Map. You'll now see your Bitmoji on the map. Look around to find your friend's Bitmoji icons. Tap on any friend to view their current location or the last time their location was updated. And that's how you can see your friends' locations on Snapchat. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more simple Snapchat tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.